Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vegan orange cake, offering clear instructions for each step. First, let us gather all of our ingredients, ensuring everything is measured and ready. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda for the dry mix. Do not forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of fresh orange zest, and 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Finally, gather 1/2 cup of plant-based milk, 1/3 cup of neutral oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, all ready for blending. Let us begin by combining our dry ingredients thoroughly in a sizable mixing bowl. Whisk together the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, distributing it evenly throughout the mixture for balanced flavor. Now, gently fold in the vibrant 1/4 cup of fresh orange zest, allowing its bright, citrusy aroma to permeate the dry ingredients, setting the stage for a wonderfully fragrant cake. Now, in a separate bowl, it is time to whisk together all of our wet ingredients until they are beautifully combined. Carefully pour in 1 cup of fresh orange juice, 1/2 cup of your chosen plant-based milk, and 1/3 cup of a neutral oil. Stir in 1 full teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that lovely aromatic touch. Gradually add this wet mixture into our dry ingredients, stirring gently until the batter is smooth, ensuring no lumps remain and everything is just incorporated. Before baking, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare an 8-inch round cake pan. Take a moment to grease and flour the cake pan thoroughly or line it with parchment paper, ensuring an easy release. Now, carefully pour your perfectly mixed cake batter evenly into the prepared pan, allowing it to spread gently to the edges. Bake the cake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center emerges completely clean, signaling it is perfectly baked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.